This window will show the steps executed by the robot. Reconciliation process started. Files were moved to In Progress folder. Minor changes to the original GL file will be done. We will add some columns to the spreadsheet to store account matching information. Scanning data from General Ledger. Spreadsheets will be updated with matching results. Scanning data from bank statement. Processed files were combined into a workbook. Reconciled transactions were colored to facilitate analysis. Electronic mail with reconciled transactions workbook was sent to user. Opening reconciliation file for user review. Reconciliated file was archived as reconciliation_2019-03-11.xlsx. Reconciliation process completed.